Today we're going to learn how to make pearl icicles. Materials needed are pearl beads and a beading needle. Step 1. Tie a knot in the thread to start your icicle. Feed one bead and secure it with a knot. Once the bead is knotted into place, then you're on to step 3. Feed the beads. Now, how many beads you use will depend on how long you want your pearl icicle. I usually use a total of 20 beads. When you get to the very last bead, you're on to step 5, and you want to secure the whole icicle with that last bead. Knot it into place. Use the needle if you need to make it a nice tight knot, just like that. Step 6, make a loop for hanging in the tree. Tie another knot. And if you find you're struggling like I do, use a needle to help get the knot into place. Carefully there we go. Then feed the needle back through the beads. This will help secure the whole icicle and keep the excess hidden away. Trim the excess, and then you are finished. Lovely. Beautiful. Nice sparkle for the tree. Thanks for watching, and have a Merry Christmas.